all-purpose flour. To this add half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoons sugar, half teaspoon salt. So just mix everything together. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of ghee. So you can either use ghee or oil. Next add about 1 tablespoon of curd. Next gradually pour some hot water and mix everything together till you get a nice malleable dough. So knead the dough for about 5 minutes till it's nice and smooth. So you can see the dough is nice and smooth. Just add a little bit of ghee and rub it all around the dough. So cover it with a nice moist wet cloth. Close the bowl and let it rest for about 1 hour. After an hour, you can see dough is nice and soft. So I'm going to divide the dough into equal sized dough balls. To make the naan, first dust the rolling surface. Take a dough ball. We're going to make the plain naan first. You don't want it to be too thick or too thin. Once you've rolled it out nice and flat, keep it aside. As we are making 3 different types of naan, for the next one, roll out the dough ball nice and flat. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. So I've used the black sesame seeds. After sprinkling the sesame seeds, gently press it in with a rolling pin so it sticks to the rolled out dough. Now keep this aside. Now for the garlic naan, roll out the dough nice and flat. Add some chopped garlic. Add a few coriander leaves. Using the rolling pin, gently press it in. Keep this aside. To make the naan bread, heat a tawa. Once it's hot, place the rolled out dough on the tawa. Cook on both sides till it's light golden color. Next, we're going to cook it on the flame. For this, I've taken a wire rack. Place it on the flame. Place the half cooked naan on the wire rack and cook on both sides till you get lovely dark spots. Now add some butter on top and spread it across evenly. Follow the same method to make all the naans. Now add some butter on top and spread it across evenly. So there you go. Here are these absolutely delicious, soft and yummy naan 3 ways, so you can make whichever you like at home and enjoy.